There are over 1.6 billion websites in the world, and JavaScript is used on 95% of them. That's more than 1.5 billion websites with JavaScript. Virtually every computing device runs on JavaScript, from iPhones to Androids, from macOS to Windows, and even smart TVs. JavaScript is the most popular programming language on Earth. Now you can learn JavaScript directly from experts that work in the field. The Intermediate JavaScript Nanodegree program from Udacity prepares students for roles from web development to server-side apps, and gives students an outstanding foundation for learning more complex JavaScript development tools like React, Angular, and Vue. Udacity doesn't just teach you a programming language, we give you the skills needed to land a job. You'll learn by developing real-world hands-on projects, including the Udacity Racer Simulator project, where you'll build a web interface using asynchronous programming constructs. You'll create a game that runs a Node application without error, create API calls to fetch data, and write logic that displays a web interface and can display real-time data. Master the most popular programming language on Earth. Enroll in the new Intermediate JavaScript Nanodegree program from Udacity today.